So in this example, I'm going to show you how to find resource pages, screen resource pages for topics to cover, find broken or outdated links, and check the archived content for the broken link. So you first start by um, copying this query here, personal development plus in URL links, personal development plus entitled resources. Um, so you just change the personal development part to a keyword that describes your industry. And then once you copy that and you paste it onto Google, which I have already done here, you get a hit of multiple resource pages here that you can, screen, analyze, and you can look for topics that interests the link creator or the owner of the resource page. So in this case, I find product management, self-development, online resources interesting. So I'm going to click on it. And as I do, I can see that this is a medium.com website. And the author of this resource page, his name is Mohammed Sharfaddin, and he's interested in product management, self-development, online resources. It's mostly related to business, technical design, so growth, business, technical design, types of product management. So now you know that this blog is interested in product management and self-development online resources. And here you see that he's linking out to a lot of helpful resources for, high growth, hierarchy of engagement for creating products that endure by Sarah. Lean Launchpad courses on customer development. So it's all related to business development. And if that happens to be your niche, then you just take a note of the topics that this link creator, Mohammed in this case, is interested in, and write them down. And also you can look for broken links. And the way to do it is basically by downloading Chrome extension called Check My Links, and you have to use it on Google Chrome. And once you download it, I have actually a link in the course on how to download this extension. It's a 1 minute long video. It's easy to download. Once you download it, you can use it in the strategy to find broken links. So as you see here in the top right corner, we have the statistics of this website. It's got 130 links, and valid links are 92, valid redirecting 37. These are links that direct to other websites. He doesn't have any warnings, but he does have one invalid link, which is something that we're going to look for right now, because we can potentially construct the content that is similar to the broken link before we reach out to Mohammed or the link creator in this case. So if we scroll down to find a broken link, you can find it here. It's an arrow red. So he's basically sending traffic to essays written by Julia Zoho, Vice President of Product Design at Facebook. So she's got a blog that he's linking to, but that unfortunately sends people to a dead page. So if we click on this, we get to page not found 404 error. So this is not good for the user experience. So now let's find out what this blog was about, so that we can see if we can find relevant topics in this in the blogs and use it to create our own content before we reach out to the link creator. In this case, is Mohammed, and ask him to maybe refer or send traffic to our unique page instead of this dead page. But how can we find out what this page was about? We basically have an option of going to archive.org. We can basically copy the link and take it to archive.org. And click for searched archived websites. And then once we click on it, okay, this one was not found. So now, so once we click on it, we get a timeline of screenshots made of the website or of that link throughout the years. So we can, just click and see if we can find anything relevant. Okay, so they don't have a screenshot here, so that means we need to go further back in time, because sometimes archive.org gets rid of screenshots that they've taken of websites if there aren't any frequent visitors, so that it doesn't take up a lot of storage space. But if we go to 2020 and view the snapshot of that page, let's see, it's loading. So now we have basically an archived version or a snapshot of how that page used to look like back in 2020. So you have an idea of what kind of content you should create for your unique page before acquiring or asking the link creator, in this case Mohammed, to send traffic to your unique page as opposed to a broken link. So when you review this snapshot shot of this page with a broken link, you see the topics that Julia Zoho is covering. So one of them is a real response to how do you achieve work-life balance. So if you're in a personal development niche and you've written a piece on how to achieve, the perfect work-life balance, then that could be a topic that you can double down on and recommend the link creator to, or suggest the link creator, in this case, medium.com, to send a link to your website. Another topic that she covers is stay healthy, stay data informed. So if you have something similar that you've written about this, or if you're interested in writing something about it, then you can use that topic. An ending and a beginning after nearly 14 years at Facebook. The time has come from blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's irrelevant. And search for perfect moments. Yeah, you just go through the content that was displayed on this dead link and copy the title and see if you have something relevant that you can use for your unique page. So in this case, personal development, this topic, I find it appealing. How do you achieve work-life balance? So I'm going to choose this topic and write it down on my list of things to write about for this particular link creator. And then once you have done that and you created a page, and more on that later on in the live workshop that we will get back to. And once you do that, then you basically have your topic ready, and now you create content around it. And after that, it's time to acquire backlinks from the link creator, in this case, which is medium.com, specifically Mohammed Sharfuddin in this case. So once we create that content, we can reach out to him and alert him on the broken link and send the replacement link if you want to. More on that later.